The health benefits and uses of curry leaves. 1. Curry leaves are commonly used to flavour delicious meals in India and neighbouring countries. They also have some excellent health benefits for the human body. 2. They come from the Morea koenigi, a subtropical tree native to India and Sri Lanka. 3. In Ayurveda, an ancient form of natural medicine, curry leaves have been used as a herb to treat health problems such as diabetes. Studies show that they have anti-hyperglycemic properties which help to control blood glucose levels. 4. They also have a mild laxative quality which helps to treat constipation, indigestion and other stomach problems. This works best when the curry leaves are mashed into a paste with a little lime juice. This is eaten in the morning on an empty stomach. 5. The leaves contain powerful antioxidants and vitamins, which reduce oxidative stress on the body, helping it to heal itself naturally. 6. You can purchase fresh, dried or powdered curry leaves and use them to flavour delicious meals. They are most commonly used as a spice in Indian cooking and add an excellent flavour to meat and fish. 7. If you suffer with anemia, eating fresh curry leaves will provide your body with a rich source of iron and folic acid. Folic acid helps your body to absorb the iron. 8. They help to improve digestion and boost your body's ability to metabolize fat. This helps you to not only regulate weight, but also increase the amount of nutrients your body absorbs. 9. This process also naturally helps the body to stabilise its cholesterol levels and reduces inflammation in the arteries. Heart disease and atherosclerosis are less of a concern when eating healthy herbs such as this. 10. Curry leaves also protect the liver from damage as they contain vitamin A, C and antioxidants which also improve liver function. 11. Many hair tonics are also created with this herb, as the antioxidants improve the health of the scalp tissue and hair follicles. Many believe that this improves hair growth and preventing graying or thinning. 12. The nutrients within also help to improve the eyesight. This works well when you are eating a diet filled with nutritious leafy greens. 13. The mashed leaves can be mixed with rose water and a little lemon juice to create a face pack. Rub this into the face and neck and let sit on the skin for 30 minutes. Wash with water and a gentle soap. This will cleanse the skin of impurities and toxins, also helping to clear up any pimples. 14. You can make a healthy curry leaf tea by boiling 15 curry leaves with the juice of half a lemon and 3 cups of hot water. This is wonderful for your overall health. 15. To learn more about the health benefits of herbs, spices and natural foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.